your Scratch account, you're going to kind of see your account page here. Once you're logged in, you're going to hit create. Waiting for it to load. Alright, so right here, this is known as your stage. This cat right here, this is my sprite. Now, as you can kind of see, as I move them up and down my y-axis, we have our positive. So today we're going to talk about how these are our x and y coordinate planes. As I move my mouse around, you can kind of see right here as it's changing. I'm going to move my sprite around right here. Alright, so a couple buttons I'm just going to kind of go over. Alright, so these are all your control buttons. So these are all your control buttons, your events to kind of start something here. This is your workspace over here. I'm going to hit motion. So I want him to move 10 steps. I'm going to click this. He moves 10 steps each time he does that. I can start him over here, do the same thing. Alright, so this is our workspace here. So we're going to be doing a lot of things with our control buttons. Here's our costumes. This is where we do a lot of artwork here, where we're going to get a scrolling game going across. If we want to record sounds, add sounds, go from here. But for today, we're just going to kind of focus on the scripts. Now some buttons here that kind of make your lives easier. We have our shrink button. So we're going to click this. Kind of make him smaller. Click it again. Make him really small. Go here. Make them as big as I want. Alright. Alright, now if you want to cut something, get rid of something, you made a mistake, you're like, oh, I don't like that, you can just hit here, and you're going to click that. Just click the cut block here, same thing on your stage, and get rid of this, and my sprite is now missing. Now for your backdrop, if you want to add a backdrop down here, you're going to go down here, and then you'll choose your backdrop. Like that one. Here we go. There's my backdrop. Now right here, this is where you want to add a new sprite. So if I want to add a new sprite to my stage right here, I'm going to click my new sprite button. Alright. Like this one. So here's my new sprite. He's coming. Set him up here. Save my changes. Alright, so now when we're coding, so this will be, so go here in my events. So every code that I do, I need to make sure I'm clicked on this sprite so he does exactly what I want him to do. Alright. So right here, I'm going to click the flag. It moves 10 steps. So we're going to work on different sprites and different types of code today. But just a quick tutorial over. Big thing too, I want to make sure we always hit the Save Now button. So as we are working, I want to hit Save Now. And we want to title our projects. Title this Batman. File Save Now. Pretty simple, but just a quick introduction to Scratch.